my dear students, welcome back to my channel. As you all know, in my last video I have discussed some important formulas of surface area and volume and also discussed the derivation of that formulas. Today in this video I will discuss about important numericals of this particular chapter. So the first question, that is like this: the external dimension of an rectangular box are 98 cm by 84 cm by 77 cm. If the wood is 2 cm thick all around, find number 1 the internal dimension of the box, number 2 the capacity of the box, number 3 the wooden volume used to make the box, and the fourth question, the weight of the box in kg correct to 1 cm 1 decimal place, given that 1 centimeter cube of the wood weighs 0.8 gram. Okay, so let us draw a figure first. Suppose it is a box and this box is of 2 centimeter thick all around. It will look like this and the box is open from upside, right? So obviously the dimensions here are given, that are the external dimensions. So external length, that is 98 centimeter, external breadth is 84 centimeter, and external height is about 77 centimeter. As the box is thick 2 centimeter all around, so obviously while correcting the internal dimension of the box, in each of the case we have to subtract the thickness. So obviously the internal length will be 98 minus 4 centimeter, that is 94 centimeter thick. The breadth will be 84 minus 4 centimeter, that is 80 centimeter, and the height will be 77 minus 2 centimeter, that is 75. Now you may think that why I have subtracted 2 centimeter while finding out the internal height. Okay, now think, as the box can be opened from upper side, so obviously the upward thickness will not be considered, only the lower thickness will be considered. So while find out the internal height of the box, we will obviously subtract only minus 2, not 2 into 2, that is 4, which for all other dimensions, length and breadth, both sides we have to take consideration, right? So here from this, these are the first answer, that what are the internal dimensions of the box. Now the capacity. Okay, so capacity, to find out we have to consider the internal dimensions. So internal capacity, obviously capacity will be considered for the taking the internal dimensions. So internal dimensions will be 94 into 80 into 75 centimeter cube, that will be like 564 and 000 centimeter cube. Now question number 3, the wooden volume that is used to make the box. So obviously imagine the thickness. If I find out the volume of the total wood, we have to subtract the internal volume minus external volume, because remaining part is the wooden and under that there is a vacuum part. So first of all we have to find out the external volume and then subtract it. External volume or capacity will be 98, 84 and 77 centimeter cube, that will be 633,864 centimeter cube, obviously. So, obviously the volume of the wood that is used is volume of wood is 864 minus 564,000 centimeter cube, that is 69864 centimeter cube. Now the last question, that is the weight of the box. Obviously the weight of the box will be equivalent to the weight of the wood that is used for making this box. So what is it? Here look at that one information given, that for making the wooden box, for every 1 centimeter cube of the wood, weight is 0.8 gram. So if we know the volume of the wooden box and if we multiply it, we will get the weight of the box. So what is it? It will be 69864 into 0.8 gram. That will be 5891.2 gram. Now we have to correct it into the 1 decimal place. To correct it 1 decimal place, what we have to do? We have to divide it by 1000 to make it into kg, because the question is given that in kg we have to find out and it is gram. So 1000 by 1000 we have to divide it. 55891.2 divided by 1000. As 3 zeros are there, we have to shift a decimal 3, so it will be 55.8912 kg, and as 1 decimal place we have to correct it. So, well, obviously it will be 55.89, so it will be 0.9 kg. Hope you have understood this particular numerical, right? The second numerical is like this. The ratio between the curved surface area and the total volume surface area of a right circular cylinder is 1:2. If the total surface area of the cylinder is 616 centimeter square, then find the volume. Okay, so what information is given? We have to write it. It is given that the ratio between the curved surface area and the total surface area is 1:2. So, I am writing curved surface area by total surface area is 1:2. So, it will be like this. Formula we know that 2 pi r and h. And total surface area means upper and lower circles are also taken into consideration. Each area is pi r square. 2 pi r square will be obviously there. If I take common, we will be h plus r. If you have some confusion regarding the formula, go to the earlier video where we have uploaded the formula related things of this particular chapter. You can understand it very easily. So, it will be 1/2. So, 2 pi r and 2 pi r, it will go out. So, it will be h by h plus r equals to 1/2. If I simplify it to h equals to h plus r, so obviously h equals to r. So, as h is equals to r, so in case of total surface area, I can write it that 2 pi r h plus r. So, in case of h, I can write it r. So, it will be 2 pi r r plus r, that is 2r. So, it will be 22 into 22 by 7 into 2r square. So which is equals to 616, right? So I am writing it here like this. 2 into 22 by 7 into 2r square equals to 616. Okay, 2 into 22 into 2r square equals to 616 into 7, right? So if I calculate it, 617 into 2 into 22 into 2, okay, and if I find it, it will be r root over r. So as r is equals to 7 centimeter, and from the volume formula we can find out the formula is pi r square h. So pi is equals to 22 by 7, r square, that means 7 into 7, and h is equals to also 7. Why h is equals to already 7? Because earlier we have find out that r is equals to h, right? So if we simplify it, we will get that the value of it will be 1078 centimeter cube. So today we have discussed two numericals, one from a rectangular volume surface area problem and another is of cylinder volume surface area numerical. So for today I am closing this video. I hope already you have understood it. Don't worry, I will also discuss some more critical and interesting numericals about this chapter in my next videos. Till then, goodbye, and if you like my video, please click the like button, share and subscribe the channel to get such type of new videos in the coming days. Goodbye. Thank you.